Preparing your home for the market. Let's lower your stress by avoiding some of the 6 common mistakes that many people make when getting their home ready to sell. Hi, I'm John Quinn with RE/MAX Experts. Let's talk about these 6 mistakes and what you can do to avoid them. Number 1, not making the simple repairs. It is so common for homeowners to put off small, simple repairs to their home as life gets in the way. From nail holes from old pictures, scuffs on the baseboard, drippy sinks, to dead bushes in the yard, we are all guilty of putting off simple things that we figure will get done to eventually. Most of these things are very simple and inexpensive and can be taken care of quickly. Even going around and power washing the driveway, the sidewalks, and the siding on the house are easy things that you can do to really freshen up the look of your home. Number 2, neglecting and decluttering your home. I recently showed a home that came on the market, and there were all kinds of trinkets, pictures, collectibles, and different things on their shelving, and it really took away from showing the property the way it needed to be done. Declutter the home the best you can. It's super important. Some buyers won't even go look at the house if the pictures show the house is cluttered. And number 3 is restricting access. Allowing buyers to see your home is extremely important. Restricting access can lower your chances of selling. If the access is too restrictive, many times buyers will just pass on your home. They just move on to the next home. More showings typically lead to more offers, which increases competition and can lead to better results for you. It's important that you keep your house always show ready and allow showings as often as you can. Of course, there are exceptions to the rule based on your personal situation, but try to be as accommodating as possible. Number 4, getting too emotionally involved. Another thing to avoid is too much emotion. Most everyone gets attached to their home. It's totally reasonable. You'll live your life there. Yet when it comes time to sell, think of it as a property more than your home. Try to think of it as a product that's going to go on the market competing with other products. When you get an offer, try to separate it from the great memories that you have and know that when it sells, you can start a new chapter in your life. People looking at your home have not lived in your home and don't have any memories that you do. If they are willing to pay what you want, let it sell. Number 5, overpricing your home. In this market, everyone talks about the outrageous prices sellers are getting for their home, and most of the time, that's true. But whether the market is hot or it's not, pricing your home to get the most out of your home takes skill. Overpricing and underpricing both have a way of losing homeowners money. Pricing a home is not an exact science. It's based on supply and demand, and of course, sometimes the appraisal. So make sure that you can look at all the numbers before you put your home on the market. And number 6, picking the wrong agent. As the market has heated up, there are lots of new agents coming on the market. I completely understand wanting to help a friend or a family member getting experience in the business. Just know that when it comes to negotiating what could be the single biggest investment that you have, you really want to have an experienced agent to handle the details and fight to help you get every dime out of the home you deserve. Make sure you pick an agent that has a proven track record to help you take advantage of this great opportunity of a seller's market. As always, feel free to contact me if you have any real estate questions at 901-591-8100.